question. Write down this question. Write down the question. Okay. So see, how can we do this? Here we have log a plus b. Log a plus log b. Here we have log a plus or log x plus something. So we'll try bringing here also one more log so that we have two one addition here and one addition here. So how can I write this? Log 10 root of 1 plus x plus 3 log to the base 10 root of 1 minus x is equal to log to the base 10 root of 1 minus x square plus this I can write as log to the base 10 100. Is it correct? Is log to the base 10 100 to see this is log to the base 10 square, right? What is log x raised to n log x? So 2 log to the base 10. So 2 into 1, 2. So I can replace this 2 as log to the base 10, 100. Fine. I'm applying the property because I need log, one more log here so that I can have log a plus b here and log a plus log b here. Again log x plus log y here. Okay. Now what is log x plus log y? Log xy. Apply that property. On both sides you apply that property. Also here we have n log x. What is that? That is log x raised to n. No? So how I can write like this as log 10 to the base 10 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2 plus this as log to the base 10 1 minus x raised to 1 by 2 then 3 is equal to log to the base 10 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 2.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Arjun is
Sorry?
asking to allow to enter. Arjun is asking to enter. To allow him to enter.
Okay. He is not there in the waiting room. Arjun is not there in the waiting room. Okay. Plus log 10 to the base 10 100. Now apply log x plus log y. Log x plus log y is log xy. So log 1 plus x in times 1 by 2 into 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2 is equal to log 1 minus x 1 minus x square raised to 1 by 2 into 100. Okay. That means if I am removing log 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 3 by 2 is
Ma'am?
equal to, yes.
He said that he is in the waiting list, ma'am. He is waiting.
Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, Arjun is waiting to enter, ma'am.
I am
He's
not
in the
unable
screenshot.
in the waiting room. Okay, I'll invite him.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so see what the remaining. So what we'll have now? 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 100. So this I can write as 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2. 1 minus x the whole raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 minus x into 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 100. So I'm bringing this to this side. So 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2 remaining 1 minus x the whole raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 minus x the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 100 equal to 0. Okay, just simplifying. I'm just simplifying to get the value of x. Okay, so this I can write as again take 1 minus x the whole raised to 1 by 2 common now. So I'll have 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2, 1 minus x the whole raised to 1 by 2. Inside this, I will have 1 minus x cube minus 100 equal to 0. Isn't it? Unless anywhere I have made any mistake, this cube is remaining. That's why I asked. Check the steps and go.
Ma'am, 3 by 2 അല്ലേ?
Yes.
Ma'am, അത് square ചെയ്താ
Up to
പോകത്തില്ല.
this much is okay. This much is okay.
Ma'am, 3 by 2 അല്ലേ? 1 minus x പോയി.
Yes, 1 plus x the whole raised to 1 by 2, 1 minus x the whole raised to 3 by 2, 1 minus x square the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 100.
മാം ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്ത് പെട്ടെന്ന് കിട്ടിയല്ലേ?
എന്താണ് അമൽ? രണ്ട് സൈഡും സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്തോ? എന്താണ് അമൽ പറഞ്ഞത്?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. To square both sides, ma'am.
ഹലോ,
സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് ബോത്ത് സൈഡ് സൊല്യൂഷൻ തരൂ.
ആ
സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്ത്
സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ
you will have
equal to 1 minus x square.
1 minus x whole cube ഇല്ലേ?
1 minus x the whole cube വരും ഇവിടെ.
അത് കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കളയാം മിസ്. അവസാനം ഇപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിൽ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് 1 ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് മൈനസ് 1 വരും. 10,000 അല്ല 1000
1 plus x into 1 minus x വരും. whole raised to 1 by 2 into 100 ഇങ്ങനെ വരും. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുവാണ്. നമ്മൾ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യും, അപ്പൊ ഇത് പോകും.
100,000 ആവും.
അല്ല, 100നും സ്ക്വയർ വരില്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ഫുൾ അല്ലേ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്?
അതാ 10,000 ആയില്ലേ? കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇത് അപ്പുറം ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കളയത്തില്ലേ?
1 plus x ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാം. 1 minus x ന്റെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു സ്ക്വയർ വരും, ഇത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. So 1 minus x the whole square is equal to 100 square. Okay. അപ്പൊ ക്ലിയർ ആവും അല്ലെ? 1 minus x നമുക്ക് 100ലേക്ക് ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ x is equal to negative 99 minus 99.
101 അല്ലേ? അല്ലേ കറക്റ്റ്.
Okay, I'll check this question and do. ഒന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പറയാം. അടുത്തൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരിക്കും, ഇതൊന്ന് ഞാൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യട്ടെ. ഓപ്ഷൻ സേസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് minus 99. അത് ഞാൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പറയാം. അടുത്തൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരിക്കും. minus 99 വരെ നമ്മൾ സോൾവ് ചെയ്തെത്തി, ബട്ട് എക്സിന് കണ്ടീഷൻസ് ഒന്നും തന്നിട്ടില്ല. ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പറയാം കേട്ടോ. ഡു വൺ അനദർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഓക്കെ, ലോഗ് എക്സ് എപ്പോഴും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും. എക്സ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 0 നമുക്ക് ഇമാജിനറി ആവും. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് എക്സ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 0 അല്ലേ, എക്സ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു minus 99 അല്ലേ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയേക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സി ഹിയർ ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യന്റെ കാര്യം പറയുന്നത്. അതായത് വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് വി ഗെറ്റ്? വി ഗോട്ട് ആസ് എക്സ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു minus 99, isn't it? So log x, if x is negative, is imaginary, or we can say it is meaningless. Understand? നമ്മൾ ലോഗ് ഇവിടെ കൊടുക്കുന്ന വാല്യൂ ഇല്ലേ, that should be positive. If it is less than 0 means it is imaginary. If it is 0 means it is meaningless. Okay, so understand, ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന വാല്യൂ എപ്പോഴും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കണം, otherwise it will go as imaginary. Okay, so we can write the answer as none of the above. None. കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ? നമുക്ക് എക്സ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്തപ്പോ എന്താണ് വന്നത്? വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് വി ഗെറ്റ്? വി ഗോട്ട് minus 99. X is equal to minus 99. So this is a negative value. So if x is less than 0, it means it is imaginary.
മാം അപ്പോ സീറോ ആണെങ്കിലോ?
Imaginary. Sorry?
0 ആണെങ്കിലോ?
0 ആണെങ്കിൽ we can write it as meaningless. But usually log to the base 10 0 നമ്മൾ 1 ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. Sorry, 1 0 ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ meaningless, that is it does not have any meaning. No answer.
ഓക്കെ മാം, ഓക്കെ മാം.
Log 1 0, log 0 no answer, or it can say it's meaningless. Okay, so if anyhow if you are getting, or if you are having any getting this value as negative or less than 0, you can mark it as none of the above, or if there is an option like it's imaginary, you can write that. Okay, so if this is negative, this log x is imaginary. If this is 0, it is meaningless. Okay, so in this question we got minus 99, so we can write it as none of the above. Okay, write down the next question. Do this. What is the value of log 10 9 by log to the base 10 9 by 8 minus log to the base 10 27 by 32 plus log to the base 10 3 by 4? Find the value of this one. Log to the base 10 9 by 8 minus log to the base 10 27 by 32 plus log to the base 10 3 by 4. Options 3 2 3. Simple now. This is log a minus log b, log a by b. This is multiplication. After that, do multiplication. So log a by b means log 9 by 8 divided by 27 by 32, that is 32 by 27 plus log to the base 10, 3 by 4. So you will get log to the base 10, 4 by 3 plus log to the base 10, 3 by 4. So log 4 by 3 into 3 by 4, that is log 1 equal to 0. Got the answer as 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the next question. What is the value of log to the base 2, log to the base 3, 81? First question. Second question. If log to the base 3, log to the base 3, log to the base 3x is equal to log to the base 3, 3. What is x? So these two questions. Tell me the answer, okay. Log to the base 2, log to the base 3, 81. First question. Second question, if log to the base 3, log to the base 3, log to the base 3, x is equal to log to the base 3, 3. What is x? Solve this and tell me. First one got the answer. How can we solve that? Log to the base 2, log to the base 3, 81 is 3 raised to 4. Isn't it? So, log to the base 2, here you will have log 3, 3. Isn't it? Here 4. 4. Why? Log x raised to n is n log x. So applying that here. Now what you'll get? Log to the base 4. This will go as 1, no? Log a. So that is log to the base 2, 2 square. That is 2. Log to the base 2, 2. That is 2. Got? All of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody having doubt? Those who are new to log. Okay. Next question. Next, do that and tell me the answer. What is the value of x? What the answer?
Ma'am, is it 3 raised to power 27?
3 raised to 27. Correct. Correct. It's correct. See, log to the base 3, log to the base 3, log to the base 3x is equal to log to the base 3, 3. So I'm removing this log from both sides. So I'll have log to the base 3, log to the base 3, x is equal to 3. So I'm taking this to this side, means log to the base 3, x is equal to 3 raised to 3. Why? This is base now. That means I told if 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, how can we write? It as log to the base 2, 8 is equal to 3. So similarly, okay. So similarly, I am taking this to this side. Now, so that is log to the base 3x is equal to 27. What is x? X is 3 raised to 27. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the next question. So simple questions are asked, just apply the property of log. You have 2 questions from this in your NDA exam. Write down the next question. What is the value of 2 log to the base 8 2 minus log to the base 3 9 by 3? What is the value of 2 log to the base 8 2 minus log to the base 3 9 by 3? 0 1 2 1 by 3. These are the options. Do and tell me. Second question. This is first question. Second question. If log to the base 10 x plus 1 plus log to the base 10 5 is equal to 3, what is x? Find x. Options 199, 200, 299, 300. Do these 2 questions. Jeffrey, you said the answer.
Ma'am, for the first one, the answer is 0, and for the second one, it's 199.
Yes, correct. Okay, see the first question. 2 log a base this I can write as 2 cube. 2 minus here I can write 1 by 3 log to the base 3, 3 square. So on applying the property, what is this property? Log property, what is that? Log a raised to m x means I can write this here. Log 1 by m log ax. So here I'll write as 2 by 3 log 2 2 minus 1 by 3. The square I can bring in front. So 2 by 3 log 3 3. So that is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 0. Okay. Anybody having doubt? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Next question. What is the answer? We can write this as log, this is a plus b. So log a plus log b, that is log ab. So that is 5x plus 1 is equal to 10 cube, isn't it? Base will go, this will become the power, base will go down, and this power will go up. So 5x plus 5 is equal to 1000. Solve this, you'll get x is equal to 199. Okay. Next question. What is log a plus root of a square plus 1 plus log 1 by a plus root of a square plus 1? Simple now. You can say the answer once you see this. This is log a plus log b. That is log ab. So I'll get log 1, that is 0. Isn't it? Answer is 0. Just multiply. You'll get the answer as 0. Next question. Find log 5 root 5 5. Find log 5 root 5 base 5 root 5 5. Options 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2.
Ma'am, answer is 2/3.
1 minute. Yes, 2/3. 2/3. So what is the property that you have applied? What is the property? This can be written as log 5 by log 5 root 5. Okay, so this is a property applied here. See, this can be written as log 5. So I told no, some 2 properties more remaining that I'll explain in the question. I told no. So understand log ax can be written
2/3
as,
ആണോ മിസ്?
yes, 2/3. So this is log 5 by log 5 plus log root 5. So that is log 5 by log 5 plus, this is root now, so 1/2. 1/2 log 5. So if we take log 5 outside, you'll get log 5, 1 plus 1/2. So you'll get 2/3.
മാം നമുക്ക് ലോഗ് ടു ദ ബേസ് റൂട്ട് 5 എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Sorry,
ലോഗ് ടു ദ ബേസ് റൂട്ട് 5.
log to the base root 5. So that means log 5 raised to 1/2. So what is log x raised to n? N log x, isn't it? Amal,
മാം അതല്ല, അങ്ങനെ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ അറിയാൻ ചോദിച്ചോ.
അതായത് 1/2 പുറത്തെടുക്കാവോന്നോ, അതാണോ ചോദിച്ചത്?
അതല്ല, ലോഗ് ടു ദ ബേസ് റൂട്ട് 5 ഒന്ന് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Log to the base
റൂട്ട് 5 റൂട്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിന്റെ ബേസ് ആയിട്ട് ലോഗ് എടുക്കാവോ?
അത് മനസ്സിലായില്ല എനിക്ക്, എന്താണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്?
ഇപ്പം ലോഗ് ടു ദ ബേസ് 5 റൂട്ട് 5 അല്ലേ, അതിന് വേറെ റൂട്ട്
അതെ
5
അതെ.
എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും.
സോ
root 5
ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം, log 5 by log 5 root 5.
ഓക്കെ.
log 5 root 5 5 ഇല്ലേ, അപ്പോ this one that is log 5 by log 5 root 5 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. എന്നിട്ട് ഇതിനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. This is 5 into root 5. So a plus b applied. Okay.
ഓക്കെ.
Just show the video, everyone. Show the video. The last question that you did, just show me. And it's okay. Abdul okay. Anirudh okay. Ashwin, Joel, Adarsh, Akshay, Edwin, Vinayak, Arjun, Vivek, Arjun CK, Ashwin J, Amal, Naveen, Siddharth, Adityan Srikumar, Advait, okay, Aditya, okay, Vinayak, TM, okay. Okay, write few more questions. Tomorrow or next class we'll start 3D. Three-dimensional geometry. Write down few more questions from log. Start doing one by one, okay? I'll write few more questions here. Do yourself. Tell me the answer. First question. If log kx log 5 is equal to 3, what is x? K raised to 5, 5 k raised to 3, 243, 125. Log kx log 5k is equal to 3, what is x? What is log 27 9 log 16 64 5 log base 4 1 2 4 8. For what value of x log to the base 10 999 plus root of x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 3. Options 0, only 1, only 2, 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, for the third question, that is x root of x square minus 3x plus 3, right, ma'am?
yes. Root of x square minus 3x plus 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See one more property. Others, put this property also in the box. Put this property also in the box. Log AB into log BX is equal to log AX. See, you need to do this question with that property. See, log AB, and in the next term, B is going as base. Then it can be written as log AX. So using this property, do the first question.
Ma'am, the first one's answer is 125.
Yeah, correct.
Second one's answer is 4, ma'am.
Let me check. Yes, 4.
Ma'am, and third one's answer is 1, comma 2.
Yes, correct. First question, how did you do? Listen. All of you listen. See, what is here? Log kx into log 5k. Isn't it? So, see, this is similar to this property, right? That is log 5k into log to the base kx. So, this can be written as log to the base 5x and it is given as 3. Isn't it? So, that is log x is equal to so x can be written as this base will become the base, this will become the power. See, log 5k into in the next term, this k is going as base. So log kx. Then we will eliminate this much thing. So we'll have log 5x only. So we'll get 125. See the next question, next question. This can be made as power, no? This also can be made as power. This also can be made as power. So log 3 raised to 3. In here also 3, here 3 square into here log 2 raised to 4 into this one is 2 raised to 6, right? Divided by log 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 1 by 2. So now simplify that. This will become 2 by 3 log 3, 3. Isn't it? 2 by 3 log 3 and 3. This will become 6 by 4 log 2, 2. This will become 1 by 2 log 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log 1 by 2 by again one more 2 will be there. So 1 by 4 log 2, 2. Anas, see, did you take this 2 times? 1 by 2 he is here. Also this 2 is here. So 1 by 2 divided by 2, 1 by 4. Simplify that. You'll be getting the answer as 4. Once you simplify this, you'll getting the answer. Now, this question, how to do that question? Log to the base 10,999 plus root of x square minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 3. Take this side. So this will become 10 raised to 3, that is 1000. Take 999 to that side. Square minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 1. Square, you will get x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 1. Take 1 to this side, you get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Middle term splitting you do. That is x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. So x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2. You'll get x is equal to 1 or 2. Umesh, doubt is there? Umesh, doubt is there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What happen if exponential come in the base?
Hello, ma'am.
E raised to.
E. Yes, ma'am.
Actually, e raised to x and log x will get cancelled. I'll
No,
show you
ma'am.
an example.
In base.
Log e.
No, here we are written log x to the base 10.
Log x to the base 10. Yes, yes.
In front of that, if we write log x to the base e, then what will be the answer?
Okay. Log to the base e means that is natural logarithm. So, in physics and maths, have you seen ln? Are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is this mean log to the base e means that is just natural logarithm. We are not mentioning any log.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Have
Okay,
you
ma'am.
seen ln? We write log as ln.
Yes, ma'am.
Chemistry,
Natural
ma'am.
log.
Yeah, ln, no? That is same as log to the base e.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Log e x is equal to ln x.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. One more important question from this topic. Just do this question, we'll find out after that. Okay. See this question also. Try to do this. Okay. Log to the base 2x, log to the base 3x, log to the base x16 are in GP. Find x. If log to the base 2x, log to the base 3x, log to the x16 are in GP, find x. How can we do this? How can we do this? Yesterday we studied
Geometric mean
GP.
എടുത്താ
What is
geometric
GP?
mean എടുത്താ മതിയോ?
Geometric mean. So that is log to the base 3x the whole square is equal to log to the base x 16 log to the base 2x into log to the base x 16. So this can be written as log to the base 2 16. Log to the base 3 x the whole square is equal to. So this is log to the base 2 raised to 4 log to the base 3 x the whole square. So this will become 4 is equal to isn't it? That means x is equal to this. This will go if I write 2. I'm taking square root. So what I'll get? 3 square. X is equal to 3 square 9. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, we need to practice some more questions from the previous year questions. So when we get a session for practicing previous year questions, we'll be doing log more questions. Also, one important topic, that is 3-dimensional geometry, that is also pending. That we'll do in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.